about what happened there. And it was, it was basically put in deep freeze in 2010, and it's now, in the fridge. And what's happening there is that there is every intention of it being a project. It's being designed, and it's being kept alive, and it will certainly be eligible, we hope, for EU funds in the future. And that's a project which I think is, along with Metro North and others, is something we mustn't lose sight of. And